In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring your imaginative toy design ideas to life using ChatGPT as your creative partner. Whether you're a seasoned toy designer or just getting started, this process is a fun way to explore a futuristic action figure inspired by the fascinating and vibrant cyberpunk world. Now, let's dive into the details and see how this all works together. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Here, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the chat box, a space that will soon become the birthplace of your creative concepts. Imagine we're brainstorming a unique doll concept. In the chat box, you'll begin by typing a message that describes your desired outcome in a simple, straightforward way. For instance, you might say, "Help me design a futuristic action figure inspired by a cyberpunk theme." This brief yet descriptive prompt sets the stage and lets ChatGPT know the theme you're aiming for, guiding it in generating content that aligns perfectly with your vision. To streamline the process and ensure everything is crafted in one go, you'll then copy and paste a comprehensive prompt into the chat. This prompt is carefully structured to provide all the details necessary to flesh out your toy design. It goes like this: You are a toy designer. Theme: Cyberpunk Guardian. Create 1. Name plus tagline. 2. 100-word kid-friendly origin story. 3. Detailed appearance bullets covering aspects like hair, face, outfit, or armor. 3 to 4 colors, accessories, and pose. 4. Signature gear and special features, which should include 3 catchphrases. 5. Packaging text, with a front call-out and an 80-word back bio. 6. One concise AI image prompt that is 120 words or less, specifically tailored for a toy product style with studio lighting and a clean background. 7. A one-page spec sheet complete with hex color codes. Once you've pasted the prompt, just hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. In the blink of an eye, you'll receive a plethora of creative input, from the character's backstory and detailed appearance to signature phrases and packaging text, all curated to form a cohesive and engaging toy concept. After absorbing all this creative output, focus on the AI image prompt you'll have received. This concise description will guide you in creating a stunning visual representation of your action figure. To bring this visual to life, simply copy the prompt and paste it into a free image generation tool, such as Bing Image Creator, Leonardo AI, or Stable Diffusion. And there you have it. An entire imaginative world built from a single spark of inspiration, fully realized with the assistance of ChatGPT. With this powerful combination of AI technology and your own creativity, the possibilities are endless. Happy designing!